Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Renault remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we release the blade into the upright position, because if we don't, and when we remove the two halves of the cases, it will want to spring out, and sometimes you can lose the tension in the spring and the pin will fall out. So we do it in the upright position. First, now we get the flat-headed screwdriver, and see in the corner here there is an indentation where we can just pop the blade and we give it a twist and we split the two halves of the case like so. And there is your key fob battery. We just get our screwdriver again and we just prise it out of its location. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing downwards and we know it's in its correct location. And it's just time to pop it back together. So we get the two halves of the case, make sure everything is lined up, and you hear the click and it's all clicked in place. And there you go, it's all done.